Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share an interesting case study we've got in the workshop today. This particular Camry's been presented by a customer who's been to a few other workshops and had some work done to it with hard starting or longer start time and check engine lights on. When we first scanned the vehicle, it was coming up with a code of P0171, System 2 lean. So again, this is where the previous workshop that worked on it got a bit waylaid. They put new oxygen sensors in it. So we've got to remember that our fault codes are only giving us a guide on where to go. So once we have this particular one, we have converted this into a repair solution, which is now on our website. We're looking at some of the data, System 2 lean, Bank 1, etc. If we're looking at our fuel trims, we could tell that on long and short fuel trims, it was running very lean, it was trying to richen it up. So we had to go looking at that particular way. Looking at the fuel pressure on this car, it was well below what it should have been. And again, these particular fuel tank pump units are in the tank. It's only got a single line out, there's not a return line on it. Being a 2011 Camry, it's got the 2.4 2AZ FE motor in it. Return line. So inside the tank, once we opened it up, we could see we've got some great photos of the fuel tank assembly. There were definitely some crack marks, etc., in the pump assembly, etc. But this car had done 240,000 k, so the result was to put a whole new fuel tank module in it, which includes your pump, filter, etc., on it, and that got this particular problem solved. And even in the notes here, we've made sure that don't follow the fault code as it says. Look at your live data, look at your data to confirm exactly what's happening. So in this particular case, new fuel pump has solved the problem. Been to another couple of workshops and had the wrong thing doing it. If you are, remember, don't forget, look at those repair solutions. Every now and again there'll be something there that'll give you a real bit of good information on fixing a car that's in your particular workshop. If you're not a member and you want to access our thousands of repair solutions, and we upload 20 every fortnight, so 10 a week, up onto our website, so we're always adding more and more content to it. If you want to get access to these, just go to tap.net.au and click on the sign up now button. See you next time.